It's that time of year again, with the leaves changing, bringing the beauty of fall into our world. Every year I like to update you on how to winterize your home, so hopefully some of these ideas will be helpful if you're renting or if you own your own home. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla, a Coldwell Banker Realty realtor. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. If you have a question, message me on social media at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn on my website, Carla Knight Homes, and I will respond directly to you about your situation and possibly expand on the subject with a video. We all live somewhere, whether you rent an apartment or you own your own place. Preparing for the weather changes can make a difference in your comfort for the changing seasons. Every year I watch the seasons change when a tree across the street from my house is half green leaves and half golden leaves. When the leaves are changing on one side, that means things are changing all around, and it usually happens before I realize it. So first, let's talk about the windows and the doors or any gaps in the exterior walls. Use weatherproofing strips on the doors to tighten the seal and use gap-filling foam on larger openings in the exterior walls. Use caulk on smaller cracks where the windows meet the drywall. This will end drafty rooms and help keep the heat where you want it on the inside. If you have a fireplace, call a chimney sweep out and clean out the flue for wood-burning fireplaces. If you have a gas variety, have a professional come and clean the buildup that happens with gas and propane. Inspect the apparatus fueling the fire and include the integrity of the glass that covers the fireplace in the inspection. You should have your furnace serviced every year and your furnace filters replaced on a monthly basis. Having your furnace serviced yearly can help you waylay disruption of the heat supply to your home in the winter months. You will also be able to make repairs or know when it's time to save up and replace for a new furnace. If you're renting, keeping the furnace clean might be something that the management would appreciate. So maybe ask your property manager if it's possible to have someone take a look and clean it up. If anything, change out the furnace filters. Changing the furnace filters monthly will keep the air quality healthy within your home. So if you keep outdoor furniture or tools, now is the time to clean and store them. Coverings for outdoor furniture are available if you don't have the ability to move the pieces inside, and keep your tools organized and put away. Then you want to protect your pipes. Pipe insulation is inexpensive and easy to install. Having insulation can help protect exposed piping in the crawl spaces or outdoors from freezing. You can find pipe insulation at any hardware store, and you might want to think about picking up covers for your outdoor spigots. Disconnecting your water hose and protecting your outdoor connections helps with freezing pipes and drafts from opening where the spigots connect to your home. It goes without saying to have the sprinklers disconnected and the water is blown out, and to turn the timers off. Don't need them running over the winter. So if you are unfortunate, like most of us, who have to shovel snow, it's time to stock up. A good snow shovel is always great. Some pet-friendly ice melt, maybe a good car kit that includes an extra blanket, radio, ice scrapers, car chargers, first aid kits, or jumper cables. To that list, I would add a few things like a couple bottles of water, some protein bars, and just in case you find yourself stuck with some time on your hands. So reach out to me if you're looking for a list of qualified professionals who can help you with the winterization projects. I have a list, and they are fantastic. If you're thinking about making a housing change or buying a home for the first time, watch for the Highway to Homeownership Town Hall coming soon on this channel or to your neighborhood. Or just give me a call and we can talk about the market and see how the lower interest rates can work in your favor with some possible down payment assistance. So have a great day and happy winterizing.